Do you ever feel that you're stuck in a life that you didn't choose? Like you woke up one morning and you thought, how did I get here? You had plans, you worked hard, and you did everything right. And yet here you are, standing still, while the world keeps moving. It's exhausting and it's lonely. You want things to change, but you don't know how to move forward. You tried different things, but they just didn't work. And now you're hesitant to try again. But what if this time it was different? I have a program whereby you make 100% profit with every sale. With a once-off setup cost, your system can be up and running within 24 hours. It's automated, so it runs in the background for you 24/7, saving you time and money. It works with no overheads, no inventory, and no recruiting. If you would like further information regarding my 6-figure blueprint, put yes in the comments and I'll get back to you with all those details.